Hello, Sawadee Cup. My name is Patrick Sullivan and I'm the Associate Vice President International at SAIT. SAIT is one of Canada's leading polytechnic institutions. We are the third largest publicly funded institution in Alberta, and we serve industry, which means we have 8 schools serving different sectors such as engineering, energy, aviation, business, healthcare, construction, and the IT sector in Calgary's booming IT landscape. SAIT is a leading institution. We don't offer programs that aren't in demand. So to put it simply, we only offer programs that industry is asking for, which makes our students very successful, evidenced by our 93% employment rate. So our programs are designed collaboratively with industry to ensure students have the skills to succeed in an ever-changing work environment. I would like to warmly welcome all Thai people to consider SAIT, come and study with us, and work with Pacific Premier to make it happen. We are waiting for you in Calgary. So when I think of Calgary, the words that come to mind are entrepreneurial, affordable, exciting, opportunity, higher salaries, excellent environment, beautiful landscapes, access to nature, fitness and recreation, and long-term opportunities, life-changing opportunities. I would love to highlight our School of Hospitality and Tourism, which is ranked #1 in Canada, #14 in the world. You know, our culinary program is so sophisticated. Students have the opportunity to work in different applied learning environments, everything from fine dining to bistro dining to very high-end 5-star Michelin star quality food. And all of our programs have work-integrated learning, so students get to apply everything they learn in a real-world environment. So Calgary is quickly becoming an aviation hub, supported by government regulations and funding. SAIT is the center of that strategy. We actually have a range of aviation programs from aircraft structures to avionics, which is all the electronics within an aircraft, to aircraft maintenance engineering technology. All wonderful programs that lead to great careers. In addition to that, we're also going to be launching a drone pilot credential very soon, so stay tuned. Keep an eye out for messaging from SAIT and Pacific Premier. So Calgary, as Canada's energy hub, has many different careers in the energy sector. Everything from petroleum engineering technology to instrumentation and power engineering to environmental and water programs. Our programs are designed to serve Calgary's booming energy sector and help students get their foothold in very interesting careers. So Calgary, as Canada's energy hub, has many different careers in the energy sector. Everything from petroleum engineering technology to instrumentation and power engineering to environmental and water programs. Our programs are designed to serve Calgary's booming energy sector and help students get their foothold in very interesting careers. So at SAIT, we have a wide breadth of engineering programs, everything from civil engineering to architectural technology to transportation and heavy equipment. These are all programs that support the construction and the housing sectors of Canada. All of our programs have applied learning. Our students go and work in the field with engineering companies, construction companies, and even energy companies that need a skilled construction and engineering workforce. Calgary is quickly becoming a tech hub, We have attracted a lot of investment from the tech sector lately. Companies like Amazon Web Services, Infosys, IBM, the list goes on, are setting up shop in Calgary, and SAIT is here to provide them with a skilled workforce. We have programs in data analytics, cybersecurity, information technology, software development, IT services that all support this booming tech sector in Calgary. So to support the booming digital media landscape in the region, we offer a range of programs such as journalism, film production. We have an interactive design program with a number of focuses such as web design, UX and user experience, as well as graphic design. So we're very proud of the fact that our School of Business at SAIT received the #1 ranking for schools of business in Canada in accordance with CEO Magazine. We have a range of business programs, everything from business administration to supply chain management, even to a fintech major in our business administration degree. Our business programs are special because they blend theory with applied education. So all students are actually applying what they learn in their program with industry in some shape or form, everything from a capstone project to a full co-op project. Our students are prepared to hit the ground running when they enter the business sector. Our School of Health and Public Safety is one of the best schools at SAIT. It has a range of programs supporting the healthcare sector, especially the allied health professions, everything from ultrasounds to dental assisting to respiratory therapy. Our grads are supporting the healthcare system in Alberta and beyond. But in addition to that, we also have other programs that support wider health, including early childhood education, personal fitness training and nutrition, and paramedics. So you can see we have a full breadth and suite of healthcare programs at SAIT.